Dividing a decimal number. Dividing a decimal number by a whole number. Dividing a decimal number by a whole number. 6.3 is divided by 3. 6.3 is divided by 3. When the number is divided by a whole number, place the decimal point is here. Now 6 is divided by 3. 3 times 2 is equal 6. 6 is subtract from 6. Answer is 0. We write 3 here. 3 is divided by 3. 1. 1 times 3 is 3. Here answer is 2.1. .6 is divided by 2. We put decimal point on this decimal point. 8 is divided by 2. 2 times 4 is equal 8. 8 is subtract from 8 is 0. We write this 4 here. 2 times 2 is equal 4. We write this 6 here. 2 times 3 is equal 6. 6 subtract 6 is equal 0. Answer is 42.3.
Do I have to write it, teacher?
Yes, Puta. Please do this exercise. Now, I will give you some more exercise. Next one, 8.72. 8.72 is divided by 4. We put decimal point is on this decimal point. 8 is divided by 4. 2. 4 times 2 is equal 8. 8 is subtract from 8. Answer is 0. We write 7 is here. 4 times 1 is equal 4. 4 is subtract from 7 is 3. We write this 2 here. 4 times 8 is equal 32. 32 is subtract from 32. Answer is 0. 2.81 is the answer. 2.81. Second one, 5.985. 5.985 is divided by 5. We put decimal point on this decimal point. 5 is divided by 5 is equal 1. 5 times 1 is equal 5. 5 is subtract from 5 is 0. We write this 9 here. 5 times 1 is equal 5. 5 is subtract from 9. We write 4 here. We write this 8 here. 4 times 9 is equal 45. 45 is subtract from 48. Here 3. Now we write this 5 is here. 5 times 7 is equal 35. 35 is subtract from 35. Answer is 0. Answer is 1.197. one, 27.32. 27.32 is divided by 5. We put this decimal point here. 2 is not divisible by 5. We take this 7. 27 is divided by 5. 5 times 5 is equal 25. 25 is subtract from 27 here too. We write this 3 here. 5 times 4 is equal 20. 20 is subtract from 23. Answer is 3. We write this 2 here. 5 times 6 is equal 30. 30 is subtract from 32. Answer is 2. We add more 0. 5 times 4 is equal 20. Answer is here. There are no any numbers. We add 0. We add
Why
0.
do we add 0, teacher?
Then there are no any numbers here. Now 2 is remaining. We write 0 and we divide by 20 divided by 5 is equal 4.
What?
0.756. 0.756 is divided by 9. We put decimal point here. 9 is divided by 9. 0. We write this 7. 7 is not divisible by 9. There are no any 9s in 7. 7 is less than 9. We write 0. We write this 5 here. 9 times 8 is equal 72. 72 is subtract from 75. 3. We write this 6 here. 9 times 4 is equal 36. Is subtract from 36. Answer 0. Answer is 0.084. Question number 5. 4.654.
Teacher,
Yes.
teacher, battery in the phone is very low.
Please charge it. 4 is smaller than 8. There are no any 8s in 4. We write 0 here. Now 46 is divided by 8. 8 times 5 is equal 40. 40 is subtract from 46. Here 6. We write 5 here. 8 times 8 is equal 64. 64 is subtract from 65. Answer is 1. We write 4 here. 8 times 1 is equal 8. 8 is subtract from 14. Here 6. We add another 0. 8 times 7 is equal 56. 56 is subtract from 60. Here 4. There are no any numbers. We add 0. 40 is divided by 8. 8 times 5 is equal 40. Answer is 0.58175. 72.3 is divided by 6. We put decimal point here. 7 is divided by 6. 6 times 1 is equal 6. 6 is subtract from 7. Here 1. Now we write this 2 here. 6 times 2 is equal 12. 12 is subtract from 12. Answer is 0. We write this 3 here. 3 is divided by 6. Here 0. We add another 0. 30 is divided by 6. 6 times 5 is equal 30. 30 is subtract from 30. Answer is 0. 12.05 is the answer. Here 5.04406 is divided by 12. 5 is not divisible, 5 is less than 12. Here we write 0. 54. 12 times 4 is equal 48. 48 is subtract from 54. Here 6. We write 0 here. 12 times 5 is equal 60. Subtract from 60, 0. We write 6 here. We write 0. We add 0. 12 times 5 is equal 60. 60 subtract from 60, answer is 0. So 0. Answer is 0.4505. .58 divide by 6. We put this decimal point here. 9 is divided by 6, here 1. 6 times 1 is 6.
Teacher, I didn't do that one. I did the first one.
I did it later. 6 times 1 is 6. 6 subtract from 9 is equal 3. Okay, please do. 6 times 1 is equal 6. 6 is subtract from 9 is equal 3. We write this 8 here. 6 times 6, 36. 6 is subtract from 8, here 2. We write this 5 here. 25 is divided by 6. 6 times 4 is equal 24. 24 is subtract from 25, here 1. We write this 8 here. 18 is divided by 6 is equal 3. 6 times 3 is equal 18. 18 subtract from 18, answer is 0. Answer is 16.43. Next. 167. 167.2 is divided by 4. We write decimal point on this decimal point. 16 is divided by 4. 4 times 4 is equal 16. Is subtract from 16, 0. We write 7 here. 4 times 1 is equal 4. 4 is subtract from 7, answer is 3. We write this 2 here. 4 times 8 is equal 32. Here 0. Answer is 41.8. Question number 5. 74.5 is divided by 5. We write decimal point here. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 is subtract from 7. Here 2. We write this 4 here. 5 times 4 is equal 20. 20 is subtract from 24. We write 4 here. Then this 5. 5 times 9 is equal 45. 45 is subtract from 45. Answer is 0. 14.9 is the answer. Question number 6. 35.86 is divided by 2. We put decimal point here. 3 is divided by 2, 1. 2 times 1 is equal 2. 2 is subtract from 3, here 1. We write 5 here. 2 times 7 is equal 14. 14 is subtract from 15, we write 1 here. We write 8. 18 is divided by 2. 2 times 9 is equal 18. 0. We write 6 here. 2 times 3 is equal 6. 6 is subtract from 6. Answer is 0. 17.93. Next question. Question number 7. 0.684 is divided by 6. We put decimal point here, 0. 6 is divided by 6, 1. 6 times 1 is 6. Then we write 8. 6 times 1 is equal 6. 6 is subtract from 8, here 2. We write 4 here. 6 times 4 is equal 24. 0.114 is the answer. Now question number 8. Eight. 0.735 is divided by 7. We put decimal point here. 0 is divided by 7. 7 times 0 is 0. We write this 0, 7. 7 times 1 is 7. 7 subtract from 7, 0. We write 3 here. 3 is smaller than 7. There are no 7. Then we write this 5. 7 times 5 is equal 35. 35 is subtract from 35, 0. Answer is 0.105. Question number 9. 1.08 is divided by 4. Here we put decimal point here. 1 is smaller than 4. Then there are no any 4's to 1. Then we take 10. 4 times 2 is equal 8. 8 is subtract from 10, here 2. We write this 8 here. 4 times 7 is equal 28. Is subtract from 28, 0. 0.27. Nine. 10. 7.401 is divided by 3. We put decimal point here. 3 times 2 is equal 6. 6 is subtract from 7, here 1. We write this 4 here. 14 is divided by 3. 3 times 4 is equal 12. 12 is subtract from 14, we write 2. We write this 0. 3 times 6 is equal 18. Is subtract from 22. We write this one. 3 times 7 is equal 21. Answer is 2.467. Next. 8.04 is divided by 8. We put decimal point here. 8 is times 1, 8. Here 0. There are no any 8s. We write this 4. Here 0. We add 0. 8 times 5 is equal 40. Answer is 1.005. Question number 12. 11.745 is divided by 9.